Real, real, real. Christ is so real to we. Blanca nation, he loves we. That's why he give us the victory. Real, real, real. Christ so real to we. Blanca nation, he loves we. That's why him always give us the victory. What's up, Speak With Mind family? What's up? What a galang, what a galang. Uno couldn't tell me say, Larry the lizard I walk with. Una if you make me come here our own crony them say she a walk with. No sir. Our of self-defense, it license. Uno tell me, you know, I don't know if I license something. It legal or it illegal? Which one? Is it legal or illegal? Me no know. But me say Larry the lizard I walk with. I don't know if I choose to come to Jamaica what day if I the license she come for. And the license she come for what day? But she don't need to come to Jamaica for that and a foreign she has stay. Or I choose them see her with it down here walk with it. Make them say she have it a walk with. Me don't know, you know. Yes. Larry a walk with it. Yes man, she a walk with it. Me don't know if a permanent something or it temporary. Or she have to give it up back after she leave here or what, I don't know. Or she have to carry it up. Me don't know. Me don't know if a international permit she have, but she have permit to carry it cause she have carried them say. I know me say so. Or crony them. Anyway, Speak My Mind family. Real, real, real. Christ so real to we. Blanca nation, he loves we. Him always give us the victory. Oh no, know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up. Just as you hit the video, you hit the thumbs up. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed and you're a subscriber over here, go over and support the backup channel. You know, different type of vibes, multi-purpose channel, family oriented channel, cook vlog, outdoor, indoor, drama, commentary and a whole, you name it. You understand? Entertainment, it over there. And the big part of the channel is still in the pipeline to come. The adventure. When we go out there and show us some sightseeing, cook on the river, on the beach, all kind of place, all on the middle road we stop and cook. Anyway, and remember Tamika Douglas, remember me telling you say me I beg on 10 subscription every week till them reach the 1,000. So wanna subscribe yet, go over Tamika Douglas TV, looking at the community, you see it, and give her a subscription. Well, she got 6 out of the 10 already. And you know, have up to what Tuesday is 1 week. So you know, must can give me even more than the 10 now, because she got 6 out of the 10. And Life with Gabby and Shebby in the community the comment section pin, give her a subscription also. She gone must say 4 or 6. One got 6 out of the 10 and one got 5. So one want 4 more to complete the week one and one want 5. So you know I work, I like it, I see it. So if I have a 10 a week, yes, to them reach 1,000. Help them channel to grow. People, them say Larry the lizard that carry weapon. I don't know if an international license she have or a local license. But them say, not me say. And it's our crony, them say, not me say. So me get one live here where she a play too. And the whole of them I go at them one another. And this is why I say God is so real. You know, and them always give Blanca Nation the victory. Because all of them your name we are call up from Babisha, Producer, Festive, Estive, Lorraine, Mishit, you name it. The whole of them want sit down, you know. And going at one person, you know. The whole of them. Cartoon chuck face. Hey. The whole of them sit down and play them part. And look at it now. Just look at it now. Almost the whole of them gone them separate ways. It's just Babisha and Michelle, me ship brother holding on. And I feel like they're holding on to straw. Because sooner or later, anyway, make we get into the meat of the matter. Soap is in the market and beef is on the bone. What don't concern you, no nigga? Leave it alone. Alright, remember, make we start it right here, so.
The other one, pan the agenda, or other part of your body to come off. Me nah argue with you, because medication I do use though.
All of them are secret here, you know, where them sit down and tell them one another, you know. And never know, say one day the seed they go get sour. Them feel like every day them and a sucky seed, it a go sweet to them. And never know, say the same sour seed, the same sour grape where them want the woman at 99 for heat. One day them a go end up eat it. Because all of them are secret here, let out where them sit down and trust them one another and tell them one another about it, you know. Alright. Who for no amputate, flamputate and samputate.
Okay, bye. Come here now. You dead girl, come. Are you never talk to me? I'm not arguing with you. Will not curse you. God already beat you and curse you. God amputate your breasts. Come out, come show your cleavage. When you do that, then we can cuss. Because me and sister girl will have cleavage like mine. Or come, put on your brassiere, because I can put on a brassiere now and show you my sexy breast then. We're not fake. Okay?
Pretend to be Christian, them, you know.
Blossom, dismiss yourself now. This show is not for you. When she over there, I cuss me about me have this and me have that. Did you write that over there?
What
you
you
hear
have?
me?
What you
Dismiss
have?
yourself, you hear? Because now you bet me want to go cuss her the way me should have. Dismiss yourself. And that me I bet you know. No one come tell me where to talk. Blossom, dismiss yourself, you hear? Because me come home holy and nice. Dismiss yourself.
Okay, so the vacation short, man. It come like I'm going to come to Jamaica for Mark if you say you can't fly come to Jamaica. That's so no easy if you get drawn out like shoes lace. Because the my vacation I should have involved all business trip you know, come down, come set up some business. But show you sound now nothing living for you know. Social media drawn out to spend all no last. But through most of them tickets are some cheap ticket on no bleach online for see yourself. Yeah man, on some cheap flight anyway. And then when you come to Jamaica, you still not live no life. But at Jamaica, we are the third world country. You come on the pan. Watch Pangudi. Waterhouse me there. Watch Pangudi. Yeah. Waterhouse you come join me, come beat me. Watch all me water buckle I drop young when me just have a play tambourine. Yes, look Pangudi. Yes, man. But your vacation short though. Because this is like about 4 days. You couldn't spend 2 weeks after you come here for how long? No, sir. And you know, like say you have no young baby I go back up to. And like say you have no work I go back to. You know no work, you know no baby I go back to. And you couldn't spend 2 weeks.
Dismiss yourself. Alright.
And Steve, you run go back up to watch?
For me to say God already a curse her and a beat her, me not cuss her. Him amputate one of her breast. If you don't like it, come on.
But I'm afraid of YouTube, you know, man.
Me no need your number.
One video for
over
me.
there go sorry for her, she a patient. I am not one yet.
Yet? Oh, so you expect to be a patient? Okay, that's good.
I am not a patient yet.
Yet.
So me no need you. Okay.
Me like how you stress the yet because sooner or later some brain damage or heart attack. No wait man, time is coming up short. Dr. Mary Go, time is coming up short. Serve them. We not serve them no lunch nor dinner. Serve them. It's not lunch nor dinner, but serve them.
Me no need you, come off. I am not a patient. When me become a patient, you can come back. For now, me not take not even a pill. Oh, Tada. Them fi tell me things and me not fi come tell them back. But Kupa uno to. One year me am a big man. Oh, as Steve door me push. Me not push nobody else. Me not push no other girl door. Oh.
And you not plan to push your own door? So I know you sit down and wait for Steve, you like, you know. But remember then say Steve have pitney. And probably you sit down and wait for Steve, you like forget where they there. And the pitney them and wait for put you out. Cause who for tell them good all draft up some law sitting already and say a forced marriage or business marriage because you come here want to seek asylum and he just help you out. Mind what you plan for, you know. Before you try own you look up tabernacle for yourself. But you have a house in Jamaica and you come here, you can't even show the house you have a Jamaica. You don't have to show the community, you can't have to show the parish, but show the house now. And say, see it here? Yes, and this me that foreigner brag about. And now we can't even see the little house you have a Jamaica where you say you have, no sorry, the big house. Who are going to find for so long and have big house in Jamaica? And then not show it. You don't even have to show your address, but come palav. Come palav in your big house. A rented apartment, me see you. Somewhere up almost in New Kingston. Cause the building in the background where I build. Look like a one building where they run a when they left Waterloo there so. Yes. A south over there. Round somewhere around that area there. Heading to Waterloo side.
But don't say it if you don't like it. Dismiss yourself. You must think say me care. You don't know notice how me set my platform? I don't care. Me not look no numbers. Me are no patient. Go over there so go sorry for over there so. Or over there so hospital there. No in a me house.
No hospital, only golden age home. She take care of the sick. Alright? That's why she's taking care of that dead log that them say Steve have. You know the log? Yeah. You have some log, you know, until you see them out of water, them not float. Them log they not float.
Yes, speaker. Hello?
Yes, listen, let me talk quick. Nobody no come here come talk about sickness of everybody because when them did over there, I spread rumor upon Rayye, none of them never go over there go tell them.
Listen, who come make me know say Lorraine carry it? I don't know if it's legal or it's illegal. I don't know if it's an international license she have, but she a carry it. And she make me know me shit.
She have to stop it. When I leave the woman alone, make she talk. Leave her alone, make she talk. And any syphilis or gonorrhea where Lorraine have lady or which part of a country there, your husband she get it from. You understand me? That's why you know because she get it from your husband and your husband get it from you and give it to her on a two blood.
How I name so? Rayye? Rayye Bruno down at Chilani? Rayye Bruno down at Chilani? You have something name so? So I a mistake it. Oh, I think of this something where you carry with stay so in your waist and in your handbag as female. Me never know. And the one where you carry, oh, the one that strap up by your foot. Or betwixt your foot, the one that strap up. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that confuse me.
Sit out of order on this thing when you have social media.
I'm biased.
A Christian, which God you serve, you have dirty girl, you have careless girl, careless woman argument you come out with. What kind of Christian?
No, safe serve God. No.
Like the rest of them.
Just
Drunk, you know about
no. And that's why the whole on turn pound one another. Because they come out here and use God for shield, you know. And the whole on are the same thing. When you come out here today, I want to depend, hallelujah, in the name of Jesus. I want to use God in, I want to mix up and say, God, if you do this and God, I do this and God do that and God do this, and I want to mix up. You understand? Every day I want to give God bad name. No, serve God. Not one on, but every day I want to call upon Him. I want to mix up.
When you did up on the phone with Lorraine, Lorraine. You never know, say Lorraine has syphilis and gonorrhea, drunk woman. Eh? You come out here, come go on like you're decent. You're drunk. Which politician will come out and speak and do and uphold ourselves to those kind of standards?
Yeah, me not put on myself to that.
Well, on the Lord, wait now. You come talk about how you did not say, Lord, them did a plan for Lorraine. You know, say them did a plan for Lorraine, but at the same time, you sit down and never say nothing.
Like all of them.
Just like them, you're a wicked woman. And don't every day get about homeless Michelle. You don't stop worry about the whom is blessed and sanctified. I don't know where, but now we're going to from the time to listen.
No blessed and sanctified none of this, so. Because that was not your works. That was your early days when you used to cook them. You understand? Yes, man. I saw the bad blessings start follow it. So not about sanctify, bless and sanctify. That not bless and sanctify. That was never God's will. Don't do that. That comes from all of them where you cook and eat. Yes, man. Yeah. You cook the whole of them and eat them. And that's why.
I raise a village. I raised a village.
Every day you get up, you use that as excuse about you raise a village. And the village that you raise, we can't see the evidence of you raising a village. So why would you want to cook and eat yours and then raise other people's own? You cook and eat all of your own them. But you get up, find time to raise a whole village. You know what is a village? You never say you raise one, you raise a whole village. Every day you use that as your excuse. Carry some of the people them come where you raise, me go see them. Go to the village where you did there raise Pitney and Pitney love you. Pitney where you take care and help send go school and sit them go see.
Listen to how you come out here and behave a big great tone, great back drunk like look how you come out and behave. Eh?
Yeah, me and you too with this video.
Any syphilis and gonorrhea Lorraine get, you because your family say you're a whore. So any syphilis and gonorrhea where Lorraine have, you give to your husband, and Lorraine go lay down with your husband, and your husband give to her. That's why you know not too disgusting and out of order out here.
So I saw Lorraine sleepy. You have dropsy. Lorraine, you sleepy bad. It come like you sleep with all your crony them people. Your name called from Bob, and now she a give you hint. Eh? So producer, you did make she know him? Tell me no producer, let me know a secret. Let me know, make me make the judgment if she did sleep with him too, because coming like Michelle I tell me say Lord sleepy like she have dropsy. Remember she visit Bobby no, but we don't know if she visit your people. Let us know. We want to know. Because we want to know if she sleepy.
Well, if you stop it, you come out and come go on like you're an angel and like you're innocent. Go and have several seats. Nobody will tell you frightened for none of uno. You could have taken if you was a decent person when the bar fly draw you. So
yes, Angela 1000 now.
You look retarded.
Only just listen to all of the name them. All of these names, you know, are people that band together like this, you know. The Festive, the Producer, the Laurel, the Michelle, the Bob, the Angela 1000, and so many more. The whole of them used to gossip. Whole meeting and conference, rehearse. Pan one woman name.
Speaker, the whole of them planet, as she tell Barfly, for come out and say, me record her, if she join herself in it, it look like say, oh, Lauren, to them know say me love record. It's an alliance were well planned, but it bounce back in them.
Reaches you, reaches me, you know, remember that saying there? Them have a saying say, reaches you, will reaches me, reaches you, reaches me.
Yes.
The Easter Sunday morning, you call yourself Christian and look what you were doing Easter Sunday morning. You're not an example of somebody out here been up by the lady, go sit down. You're too enough. That's your problem. You're too enough. And you're too wicked and lie, just like the rest of them. Go and have several seats, but the woman have gonorrhea. If we know about the woman life, you kill this dirty drunk or you. Not too out of.
So are you a doctor? You are just a friend just like she. And she says she have that. Oh, you don't know, then sit down and will talk. And she tell her that. You are come swear. So are you a doctor? Are you already this a doctor? Oh, never know.
Father, man. The woman never trouble you. Come out here, come talk about the woman record you. You're drunk or you. Out of order. And I come talk about the woman of gonorrhea and syphilis. Anything we should have, you should catch your man, she
You
catch it.
just
That's why you
stress
know
this
that
up
she
so.
have it tooth damn ring out of there with your literate looking self.
Then my husband could have a good health insurance and me have syphilis and gonorrhea walk around with.
You don't know how it fun, you know.
Probably it overcure. Probably it overcure like whole wine. So doctor can't cure it no more. It cannot be treated. It cannot be diluted. It is too pure. It turn vintage by you. So Steve Healthcare now go help you. Them say when them something they hold pan you know, it in your bloodstream, there's nothing them can do. Unless them have to flush your blood. You know, them say certain disease, when you have certain disease, you know, yeah, alright, just like how the kidney, like when you have kidney problem, them have to flush out your, you understand? Flush it out, yes. YouTube, please stop. I'm talking about, you know, yes, I'm not talking about it in a bad way. Please, don't flag me.
What do you think calling me wombless Michelle can? Don't you feel so that about my own hurt? It just shows the level of illiteracy and ignorance. Lord, may they work.
Alright, big up yourself. Big up yourself, please.
What the hell?
Yeah, man, we not look upon them, we don't deal with shit.
All when them
Me
that
not
work,
curse her.
kill
I was
these
next
people
to
them.
her. God already a deal with it for me.
Right, that's a bit.
Kill these people
Una
them.
like when
All
me
when
say
them that
so,
work,
me not take
them
it
have to
back.
come
God
for a
already
line.
a beat her. God take off one of the breasts and the other one about to go. I too sick me buck up in the house, so me can't argue with them. A wickedness. Oh. Medication make your hormone kick in and act crazy and that a reach her. You understand the pills them what she depend. You understand, you know them come with side effect. Come back we go to the doctor with the part.
Cartoon Chuck face time. Listen up.
It is finished. The end of the conflict is finished. God liquor. Who remember when we talk about it? Eh? I think me I'll show it. Me have it in my phone. Me go post it and show no. When God liquor and me know it's a destruction I go take her. Him liquor, but she ask the audience if them feel the earthquake. Who no feel it? Eh? And me alone feel it? How the something them not drop down? Cause you alone forget it.
No, but that's the norm. Yeah, there's somewhere an earthquake shake still. And you know, see like nobody else a feel it. You say you don't feel it. Because sometimes people feel it, but them not realize that it's an earthquake. Because it might not shake that heavy. So that's the norm for people ask other people if them not feel it. People that call all people away, where you feel the earthquake. We around so you feel the earthquake. So not wrong if you ask somebody if them feel it. No sir. But anyway, continue.
You alone God
Rope
let
on
you.
one another,
I'm
rope
not done
on
with
one
you.
another.
That man. And me just call one phone. And the person said the same thing. I said, let's tell them. And you know, so me dead now when me go in and me I watch a girl, an artist on TikTok. And me I look through the girl. And as me stop and go think about God 1 second and think that what is happening on social media, you know, look good for me.
Hold on, cartoon. So you did so holy cartoon? Me you say you read a woman, we never know say you're so holy. So if you read a woman and you're so holy cartoon, so you never know say your camp did a go shamble. You never did a sit through them. You're a false prophet cartoon, man. Because you're supposed to did a see right through this system here. And she said this a campaign are real. And this a campaign go falter. And we not go separate. And we not go get up and go against one another. You should have see that cartoon. You don't know prophecies. You don't know read a woman. You know that holy cartoon. You go on with too much foolishness where it is all uncalled for God to make you holy. You know holy cartoon.
Lorraine and producer. I know me again no chance. Me a telling us straight up. I rest you two in God.
Everything.
You call for
God.
the live, me dep on the live.
God. God.
Go right ahead.
Every day that the anti-cartoon costs you. Every day that the anti-cartoon costs you. Every single day. She never know she gonna come back for her. That the anti-cartoon never know you gonna come back for her. Eh? That the anti-cartoon now kind of fish them there in Jamaica here. And when they do this, people are foreign and they have black fish. How kind of fish them they ask you? What kind of white fish them there? In that anti-cartoon. Eh? When they say it's clear no spar.
A balm fish you eat. Them fish out at sea long time on boat. Balm. So she go seaside. Cause I remember a country she there, so she go there near, must say St. Elizabeth. So she go there near the seashore. All get a pan and them place there. So she get some balm fish. Yes man, nothing sweet me so like when you don't go out to no one another. Nothing no sweet me so.
Parrot fish and them big top fish. They will go like your top girl. You know say I don't top girl. In that anti-cartoon, me say when you rub him and scrub him, me say back and me go for a fast thing. If you rub him,
I'm not do that.
Rub and scrub you.
I play advice and dissect her. The scamming. A charity me I do.
You think she go on with?
Yeah.
You think say we like what she go on with you? Your audience don't like, your followers them don't like, and your fans them don't like what you go on, what she go on with your sister. Then we don't like it, we the sisters don't like it.
It is so funny, you know. These fans and audience is the same fans and audience where they that cheer and cartoon when she over there, you know. And they never see nothing wrong with the cartoon did I do. Just as though they must see nothing wrong with the Larry the Lizard I do. But now, there's a departure in the launch. It's a problem. Because she not say what them want hear or what them want see. Them separate and she go against the boss. So then stick with the boss. But these are the same audience and supporter. Where did I support cartoon? So how you find it in our heart we come out now about you call in on platform? Eh?
That would be a bad. You should draw grand like never draw grand before. This little boy doesn't even know cartoon or do cartoon. She doesn't even come on internet. On a little simple cartoon, you know.
None of that pitney them don't know Larry the Lizard. Larry the Lizard never climbed on none of that pitney them like tree yet. But though she call up Dana pitney them name all the while. So, let me ask you a question now. If I go through the fence and one bag where you scrape me or so, and Lorraine go through the fence and bag where you scrape her, are two different colours something we see run out. Are the same colour something that come out, you know? And no water come out of one, you know? Are the same colour something is on that? One might paler because of the type, yes. And one might red more than the other. But are the same something. Are same feelings if you go so and you go so on me. Are the same feelings we have. Oh. But one thing they know no favor. I guess everything go wrong.
I do not want, she can't be not innocent in this, you know. She's not innocent in this. Auntie cartoon not innocent, yes, so.
Auntie or uncle cartoon. Uncle cartoon. You're not innocent in an uncle cartoon. Uncle Chuck face 1,000. You're not innocent yourself. And we know say you're not really innocent for true.
She want bad. She never know. Make she stay there, man. Make she stay there. Idea was coming. Idea come. And the cat would have not enough time for your car today. I'm busy there at work. But man shall keep another night.
How are you going here? So, I be people have work as according to them, find time for calling pan careless program. I talk about carelessness. All them here, you know. Them here no Satan, you know. Them here are influence. You understand? Them here no Satan, them pass Satan. Them here influence. Yes, man. Can't believe so much on the sound now work and find so much time. Boss can't so no. Okay.
Live, I'm going to come back for you. I'm not done with you yet.
Oh no, I instigate,
Done
man.
with you yet. You see once boss up the platform and say, look at her. I'm not even still because I come here without them. I never put up the phone and move right front guy. You're too old harder. Full stop. Mom, the family vacation. Yeah, go on with yourself. Yeah, flip up. From when boss come back now, you come out as scaled fish and come out be like a poorly talking. I'm in dynamic church. Me not even see Jesus again. Me not see Jesus again. You never know. You don't want to see Jesus all along. You never know. Me not see Jesus all of a sudden. When boss go on vacation, and little before boss go on vacation, you not see Jesus. And from boss come back, you not see Jesus. You not see him. You in your red clothes over your white bucket with your white fish and scale. Yeah, you not see Jesus. You're lucky.
So you say white, anyway, you say white fish. You do have white fish. Or what they call silver looking fish. So you make it look like say a spoiled fish the woman have. And that you try to tell you say the woman fish them spoiled. What you want to say, are the Rayye River them? Rayye River them, the fish come out of which part the chemical destroy the fish them? And that you try to tell me? So Rayye fish them with chemical destroy? No sir. As the thing be Angela, she a hustler man. If I am to beg 500 to cook local food, she can't beg it man. She a hustler man. Me not think a Rayye fish them there. Because I not run no risk eat them the Rayye fish there. I say turn over in the water and then say a chemical do it. Because I don't know what kind of effect the chemical I have on my body when me eat them the fish there. And people are not serious note, you know. When you look on it, you know. That's why we have to be careful where we buy certain things and who we buy from, you know. Although when it comes on to money, there is nobody you can trust in this world. The good have to just suffer for the bad. Because a man we know say, boy, alright, him get £150 of that the fish there. For little or nothing. But him know him can carry go one market, go sell it and make 4 times his money. Him not pass it. Him not look on the health of the people them we are going to eat it. Him a look on the quick money where him a go get and how much him a go make. So we have to be careful of what we really eat and who we eat and buy certain things from. Honestly.
Jesus don't want to see you because you're wicked. You're wicked cartoon. You're all wicked.
Hey, da da de, da da de, da da de. Me no want hear that word there, cause you true burst no want hear it.
Tree walk. Me have one friend down there do 2 and 3 walk. Walk 2 week, 3 can go next week and she come up, she can find one next walk again. You understand me? Go look walk, but you come beg money. But you want $100 to buy your capture land. You capture the land.
$100?
What kind of buy land? Eh?
$100? What kind of land sell for
What's so
$100?
dissect that man?
I make up she want.
Dissect it. Yeah, dissect it.
I make up she want. Cause $100 can't buy land. I must make up she want. The money want $100 more. Oh, but a long time here cartoon come out a big money. So people don't tell me in a comment who know. They look at what my place when I say cartoon in a like one bed in a way. Me feel like I just spread cartoon, spread one piece of color sitting upon piece of board and make it look like I just so she sleep, you know. Because nobody now cartoon you couldn't so hot at all and so cockatip on social media. Of course people have them good house and them good things. and you really left from one parish where the little old man put you out of the place where you ball, where toilet seat, this and toilet seat, that, where you pay 4,000 a month and you couldn't buy one toilet seat, and you gone somewhere now, gone living in somewhere where you have no door, no window. You're coming like a walk-in store. Because on a walk-in store, me know no have no door and no window. You know, them man they will walk and sell all kind of things. Yes, them not had no store. So you know, say basically they not no window and they not no door. So you really gone this gonna live cartoon. I feel like a tricky crowd. I feel like you do that because you want to give people things to talk. But everything will reveal one day cartoon. No worry.
Cartoon go and go walk and go make one bedroom, kitchen and bathroom.
You got yourself trendsetter, thank you.
Make your sister go look, make your daughter go look man, and go find man to go live with that big girl now. Cartoon, you see you go on. But yeah, come big man. Look at your big and strong. Go look walk. Go walk.
Yeah, that's why she call me name every day. So she feels she call it enough now, so I'm begging.
People don't clean shit and foreign and chain collect from the bag. I'm chain collecting bag and clean shit out of the back. Because they say you're big and strong and you're full of mud. And you're shaped like man and woman, so you can do man work and you can do woman work. No work, no half living for you. No work. Because you're man and woman that one, so no work, no half living for you. No work. You can do man work, you can do woman work.
I wish she have Whitlaw. She maybe can't walk her 10 finger of her Whitlaw.
It's a cartoon a scale real Kobe fish.
Time for them work their money. They part 24-hour job and then a rain and snow and a cold and a run from train to train and bus to bus and take up their money to go here. Anybody who wants it for them business, you're big and strong. And the like say you're 95 or you're 100 or you're Miss Mavis. When you say, oh my God, that's Miss Mavis. Let me send a $10 for Miss Mavis or a $20 for Miss Mavis to buy a little water. You understand? Or to buy a tin mackerel and some sweet potato and carrot.
Right, that's a trendsetter.
You're too bright. You're too north. You're too outside. You're too bright. And you have pain and you have face. You have so much more time. You have big. And you have big. You have big. Because you don't have me there. But I say, I'm going to do the
True, me agree upon that one day. She have too much mouth and too cockatoo and hype, man. And I same thing when she come out for 99, you know. Because me yes, I beg, she a beg assistant, you know, must say 199 to stack out bar. Some say the bar 99, she a beg 99 to stack out. Some say she call for 99 help somebody with her family. Me don't remember how it go call. When me see her at the time in a roadside and camera and she a go on and she a, hey, Dana, this look for me, Dana, look for me. Look how me look good, look how me this, look how me that, look how me this, hey. And she start talking about, she know, she not like Dana because Dana deal with Silone. So she take on Silone, you know, like, you know, at the care she care for Solani, make she a go at Dana. And me hear say never that, you know, people. Me say she beg Dana some favor. I don't know if I stack out hip bar or if it help some family of hers. Because you know, most of them, you know, are because they reach out and they never connect. They reach out and Dana and never connect. So through Dana hand no connect. Because Dana fi connect with everybody because me know say she a Wi-Fi, yeah man. Dana Wi-Fi, so she be connect with everybody right across the world. So when you're sending greetings, you have free Wi-Fi to say greetings to Chuck Face Cartoon. She begging something. Yes, man. Me agree with you, yeah. Right, that's what me agree with you. Me not lie. Me agree with you. I agree with you.
Alright.
24 hours, me walk cartoon, me there walk. Me work, I just take a 5 minutes and me go call Basic and me have the headset and I listen. Me can ever put phone on my ears cartoon. To show you how me can ever put phone on my ears. At 2 o'clock me has clean number 1 and number 2 in the night. 2 a.m. cartoon, 5 a.m. cartoon.
Here, come tell me pray for you. Don't do it. Delete your comment too. Don't do it.
Drape up.
Wanna know
Delete your
what this
comment.
little girl done to the baby? Where were Una when she called? She and her friend called to take away the child from him home when born and grow, you know. Listen, man. Listen, you say today is one of the day Una think before Una write. Today one day where Una have to go think before Una write. I don't care who.
Cross. Hungry. Miserable. Bounty killer voice.
Think before you write. Or sit down and enjoy the show. If you don't like the show, go till me start the charity.
Take care yourself.
Alright? You never said this girl ride me day in, day out. First she come out, she say,
Me know you're
me
lizard, you're no
clean.
donkey.
Me a go up with God. Me no do her nothing and she no do me nothing and me and her good. She a go about her business. And because she want me tell life here and I don't tell the lie, she turn it around. She take a video and create a scene out of it. Where it's nothing about it is true. Don't do it. So what you want me to do now? God a do him work and me if you go turn around, pray for me, pray for her and turn her over to God. If you go back, go take her out of God and turn her back for me. And that you want? And that you tell me? Pray for her. I want to know see me pray for her publicly. No one I say today.
Now true no senior man. Everything when you run to God, cause God for do no referee. And that's why God not answer your prayer, you know. You pray publicly, you pray silently, you pray privately. And she still do the same thing. And answer God not answer your prayer, man. Because you not godly. You just use God's name. Because you don't feel like God for doing a referee. You understand? No man, God alone you to fight on a battle, man. So who no start on a battle, you know. So who no finish on a battle.
Yeah.
And call for
Please.
battle on a start.
Please. Alright.
Yeah, and I know life she talk about her something I'm not gonna tell. Right? Flex will like a little cooking, she will cook and a roast her breadfruit and say she a wash. I will take a little watch there. But you no need to send me none. Me no want here. This gone over the limit. Then a liar go too far. You see when it come out of festive push the little old baby. Girl, it's not because I'm scared of any one of you why I quit. Because I definitely know some me have file tap up on Lorraine. Straight up. But Lorraine,
Let them go.
me leave you alone.
No, bring it out. Me I want you forgive. Me not forgive nobody. Cause me never do no nothing. And me I no in a no war. That me tell you the difference with me, I don't have to forgive nobody. Cause me never do no nothing and me I no in a no war. Uno no self. You notice me never answer you. See when me come for you right here so today. After I take my vacation and come back, look how God plan it out. Me not forgot tell God to forgive. Cause me never do no nothing. Me not trouble no. Your mouth I did not do you anything. Me and you good. The woman clean. You forgot?
One step we want pass out. When me not pray. I be two we are
Rayye Cobra fish them, she a scale them sessa. Me don't know if a market she buy them or a pitch she pick them up out a riverside.
I can't listen to a shot, me can't listen.
Yeah, my brother, good day. What's up?
Yeah, Babisha him. Yeah, Babisha she. She have to come play for her part, you know. This your life you could have done and Babisha not play she part.
Only thing we can do a laugh in a boss. Festive, you lose again in a festive. Why festive so bitter, boss? Why a person who not have no life? Why a person who not have no relationship with that pit to them? Festive, you have one grand pit the festive. One go build a band with a pit to them.
But no the hot rich festive this year. Your boss meet one time and they pan, hey, look pan goody two, goody friend for life. Look pan we, yes, look pan. I see him festive this. Or a festival that. One of them at the festival and one a festive. Well, me don't know, because me not really penetrate like that, you know. But me just glad to see how the whole of you where was bench and batty. The whole of they had pulpit. The whole of they up at the altar. I jump and I clap and I sing hymn. You understand? I try to carry down one somebody. And now no I carry down one that. That is why me I play this live, people. These are the things that me want to see. Because me want to understand, say, when God a work, God a work. No call God for referee when you do your foolishness. When you out there foul people, you know, call God and tell him, say, God, you know, say me just commit a foul, blow the whistle. But as soon as you get a tackle, you ball God, God, God for blow whistle for foul. But when you are foul people out there, you never tell God, say, boy, you know, say me just commit a foul, blow the whistle and give me a yellow card. But you want him to come give people yellow card for you, you know?
You understand? You come out here, you spread one bag of lie about people. You understand? Dirty festive. You know, that's boss, you know, say me are the only man fit ever tap
Clean and goody festive turn what? No, sir.
the festive with even festive with respect. Festive a woman when man treat like a rubbish and trash. When you roll up, you know, dash it behind her, you know. They're the only man with talk to dirty thinking festive with respect, you know. You understand? But you see, I'm a relationship, then they want to go off right now. But festive, you lose again. Nobody know why you're thinking nasty. Slimy, dirty fuck. You understand? You think I feel why? Festive, you think I feel why the woman they call for murder and say, white team gonna run your festive. Remember, you know, use the woman call, you know. Because you know, they will the woman man in a festive. And the woman call you and tell us you give her husband gonna run your festive. Go watch your thinking now, you know this one. Yo, festive wicked in the boss.
Bad.
Festive, you're wicked enough. Dirty, drunk festive, you know. You're wicked enough. Why you not going to tell the people when you go to the hotel when you see a man when they show the picture on social media, that man never want you look.
People, me not gonna further. Jesus, if YouTube know all this, boy, YouTube me I beg you please. Please. Sometimes when you surprise me on some video, me swear so no go hold on pan, no hold on pan, you know. And the one me not expect you to hold on pan and to no hold on pan. Because all that the one they want to hold on pan all day yesterday. When me did for do 2 video release, I want to make me get for release the 2 video. And then long after I want to release it when the night done gone already, I'm releasing time when me plan to release and upload my video then. You know, did done gone. And see it down the free it up. But me I beg you no boy, me I tell you. Anyway, speak my mind people. It's a lot more. The live is 2.5 hours long. And I just gone 1 hour and had the night. And remember another whole 1 hour me play. Me take out what me want take out for dissect. So me not play no more. You don't know what they do. Me can't bother with this a mix up here. Big army. This a mix up here, giant over me, a giant over me. Remember me, I want to look at toddler. This a giant. Real. Christ so real to we. Blanca nation, he loves we. That's why him always give us the victory. You don't know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up with the video and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, over there so in the community, Tamika Douglas TV, me I beg on the subscription. She want 5 more for reach 10 when me beg you know. And Life with Gabby and Chevy. Down in the comment section. Pin, she want 6 for make the 10 when me beg you for the week. And me still have 3 days figure still. But if you don't carry it up to 20. No problem. So all I know when I subscribe to those 3 channels, go over there. A wholesale but a free. Alright, 3, because them say when you buy 3, 6, 9, 12, wholesale. But a free. And subscribe to the channel them. And remember, the cash up pin in the comment section. $, Life is a Mission TV. Friendship. You see, when you beg and you buy friendship, this is what happens. Friendship must come natural. You understand? Any friendship you have, it must come natural. You just meet people. And by going around people, you know, force up in nobody. You understand? You just go around. Hi, hello, how are you? Rayye, and gradually build a friendship. A genuine friendship. You know, force up in a friendship. You know, beg and buy friendship. Grandmother said, When you buy friendship, anything you take and buy the friendship. When time that done, them gone. And when you beg friendship, like a whole heap of friendship beg right here, so you don't intend to disrespect one another because the friendship never come natural. Thanks for watching. I'm out.